Good evening, everybody. Fan Steve here once again. It is Wednesday, February the 15th. I have finally made my return after a almost 2 week, think about a 2 week absence from YouTube now. And I am now filming with a new phone. This is a wireless track phone that I got just recently. So now I have a new phone, so better picture quality, better sound, even with an SD card that I just put in it today, more internal storage to where I'll be recording videos again, just as I did before. So I guess this is sort of a new start for me. And I hope that you all have been doing well. Jordan, I hope that you've been doing well, buddy. And I figured that I would start off fresh, that I would start off new by doing a video for you of a LED light fixture. This is our yard light, and I don't think that I ever got around to recording it before. And we had just originally had a new fixture installed on this. The last one was going out, it was flickering, and we never got around to doing anything about it before, due to work and bills and whatnot. And it's a little after 6 now, so hopefully it'll come on. And with these LED lights, it consumes less electricity, and so I think it's about $500 or $600 a month, which isn't a bad deal. And the one there in the back just now had clicked on, and I do believe that is an LED light too. So this is our front yard light here, and it's actually very similar to the ones that I had in my former residence. It had the orange yard light fixture, and I do believe they were called the sodium lights. So it's a good thing that I took the time to film this when I did. Not exactly sure if you can see it up there, but it's pretty cool looking. So I'll just go ahead and I'll take the time to explain to you what's been going on, what I've been up to these past 2 weeks. And as you already know now, that I have got a new phone, and the old one that I had before was just really old and really outdated. I think my mother bought it about 7 or 8 years ago. The screen on it was cracked. It was getting to where it was harder to function. So I think it was about time to start off new. Excuse the noise with the cars there. But anyway, I've just been keeping up with work and been very busy. So I am now getting around to catching up to doing streaming again, and I'm very happy about it because I have a lot that I am going to be getting on my channel here within the next few days. So I hope that you all are looking forward to that. And with it just being a few weeks away from time change and from season change, That'll be when I can be doing my restorations. I've gotten a few other vintage fans. I actually just got one today, and I'll be making a video of that tomorrow. And I'm gonna have a lot of restoration projects coming up in the spring that I'm gonna be getting on my channel. So and I've also seen that I've made it up to 210 subscribers, and people are still enjoying my content. People are still, subscribing and watching my videos, and I'm very happy about it. And so I've just been viewing and commenting on videos here and there a lot more here lately. And there it is, just clicked on. And it's a really cool light there. It's very bright. It brightens up the yard. So there you go, everybody. You guys take and enjoy that for a minute. And I'm pretty sure that these lights that they're powered by our local power company. Much like the one back home. I think ours came from our power company back home too. So yeah, like I said, $500 or $600 is not a bad deal each month for these old LED lights. I was never too big into the LED lights, but this is very bright. It works well. It lightens up the yard, and which works well for me because I like to spend a lot of my time outside, especially on a night, as warm as this one. We've been seeing a lot of warm weather up here in Virginia. So there you go, everybody. There's a quick little video of our light fixture, our yard light in Jordan. I hope that you see the video and that you enjoy it. I'm gonna be getting back to my streaming, and I'll be starting off tomorrow morning. So it's good to see you all again, and you all have a good night, and I will see you later. Bye bye.